When you first get this product, you're going to have to assemble it, but it's not hard to assemble. It's basically just sticking this piece on, which comes with two Phillips head screws right here. Overall, it's quite a weighty product. It is quite heavy. Feels like a piece of metal, even though it's made of plastic. The top here has this crazy grippy metal. I'll zoom in a little so you can see. It has this metal. You can tell this one's been used too, but it has this very grippy. It feels like the stuff that you would put on stairs to keep people from slipping. But it's not grippy enough to where it feels like it's going to hurt. Like I'm completely fine with rubbing the back of my hand on this. I'm not worried about my dog screwing up their nails using this thing. Overall, this piece slides very easily, especially with the handle, as you can see. You can stick your dog treats or whatever in there, quickly close it, and your dog is going to start scratching. And this thing works wonders. It's quite surprising how well this works, especially considering that you wouldn't expect something like this to work as well as it does. We were having trouble with our dog in terms of trying to get them to actually use or just get. We were having trouble with our dog in the sense that we could not get them to actually get their nails down. We were having trouble trying to clip them. We put them in like a harness. We put them in. We were holding the dog's hands and everything just to try to get the nails clipped. This is the only thing that we have found worked, and all we do is we put frozen peas in here. So I totally recommend this for somebody who's looking to get their dog's nails clipped in a safe and actually kind of a fun way. It's very cute watching them scratch on this thing to get the peas or get the treats or whatever you want to throw in there. Overall, while it's expensive, I think it's totally worth it, and I do not think you're going to have any trouble using this.